Pilot training. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear those words? Expensive? Unrealistic? Impossible? I'm here to tell you about how our company are making this dream job more accessible to people from all backgrounds every day. Hi, my name is Craig Lancaster and I'm the founder and managing director of PilotPath. PilotPath are an industry force within aviation. We're a modular flight training coordination service headquartered here in Dublin, Ireland. At PilotPath, we are proud to be partnered with some of the most well-renowned flight schools across Europe and the USA, including AFA, or the Airline Flight Academy right here in Dublin, and Global Flight Training Solutions in Florida. Our aim is to guide students through the more flexible modular route to becoming a commercial airline pilot. PilotPath is an educational and career performance management platform that radically increases the students' chances of successfully completing commercial pilot training in the shortest possible time and at the least possible cost. At PilotPath, we currently have the largest cohort of modularly training students here in Ireland and are specialists in guiding student pilots throughout different stages of modular flight training. We make it more accessible financially through our phased payment plans and finance options with our exclusive finance partner Home Ireland, by offering professional support via our commercial pilot mentors who will be by your side throughout your flight training from the first to the very last day of your commercial journey, by offering flexibility and allowing you to train over your desired length of time while staying in full-time employment or education, and by giving real structure to your journey with training guides, post-training workshops preparing you for airline interviews, preparation for your airline assessment, and your new career in the sky. So where and how do I get started? The first step to take is to train for your private pilot's license right here in our home base in County Wicklow. This will not only provide you with a private pilot license for life, but it will also open the doors to stage 2 and 3 of your modular commercial flight training journey. So what are you waiting for? Regardless of whether you are already advanced on your flight training journey or brand new to aviation, contact PilotPath today to arrange a trial lesson and find out more about how we can help your dreams become a reality. Invest in your career today with PilotPath.